changes.
Hey, good afternoon, everybody. Welcome into the RockstarFlipper YouTube channel. Today is April 9th, 2019, and what about a couple of videos yesterday? If you guys missed them, I'll link them both below. Updates from eBay, PayPal, and the managed payment system. If you don't know the update already, it is being added in as we speak, so everyone who is holding out, you can get ready to switch over soon. They didn't give the complete timeline, but they did start this month, so check out the video, I'll link it, and also the legal letter from the North Face, which I will also link below. But today's videos, you read the title, The Daily Deals and Best Deals on eBay. So if you've never done a lot of shopping on eBay, it is definitely worth taking a look at the daily deals. Some of these are gonna be awesome items. I've ordered a couple of them. Sometimes they recommend some of the items based on your prior shopping or search history as usual. But a lot of these are really well-priced items, and a lot of it is based on your shopping history. And so like a lot of electronics pop up for me, a lot of different home goods things, and like Amazon items and Alexa items and all those sort of things are what pops up for me. So I want to show you guys some of the deals, show you how they can be good for you, how they can be bad, and also how you can use that list, because it shows you trending, it shows you the cheapest, the most expensive ones. You know, like there'll be under $10 deals all the way up to like I saw an 85-inch QLED Samsung TV for like $5,000 or something once. So they'll give you the whole range of everything. And then they also have them sorted by clothes, sporting goods, electronics, home and garden, toys, all the different categories, which I'm going to show you in a minute on my computer screen. And so you can get a good idea on each category of what items you should be looking for to sell, because those are trending in each category, and those are the popular items, hot items. I linked one in my group earlier today that I thought was totally cool, I did not know existed, and it's a Lego set of Steamboat Willie, the original Mickey Mouse from the 30s or whatever it was, or 1928, whenever Steamboat Willie came out. You guys can help me with that down below. But you guys know my buddy Drive Time with Dave. He's a huge Lego fan, and I actually linked that out in the group and tagged him. And he didn't know it existed, so I'm sure it'll be a part of his collection very soon. But I found that because of eBay Daily Deals. It popped up, I think, like 2 days ago, and I saved the link. So I'm gonna go ahead and take you over to my computer, show you that, and I'll link a few of my favorite items down below. You can use the direct link under those videos that'll take you right to the eBay Daily Deals, and then you'll be able to see all the different categories. It's right there on the top. And then when we go through this on the video, I'll show you how to navigate it. So let's go over there and check it out. All right, from the main eBay page, you're just gonna go over here. There's a tab that says Deals. You can just click that. And then once the Deals tab comes up, it's gonna be sorted here by tech, fashion, home goods, sporting goods, automotive, other deals. And so you can look at each one. The main page here is featured, and right now eBay's running a spring Black Friday is on. New deals all week long, shipping always free. All these items are free shipping. And so it's going to show you the Spotlight deal, which is like their #1 deal. It's some Samsung 7-inch tablet. This is really not a good tablet at all. It shows $199 at 60% off, but honestly, $80 for an old 7-inch quad-core 8 GB ROM Wi-Fi tablet is, you could do better. Trending deals for wall outlet cover plates with LED lights. How much were they? $289. Swivel mount LCD plasma TV mounts, Dickies man pants, Apple iPhone 8 64 gig, unlocked in very good condition, used for $344. So you guys can see they're putting in some trending deals. A lot of it will be just things that you're used to. Color contact lenses, I would be a little cautious buying these off of any website. Okay, then they have featured deals down here where you can scroll down. You know, electronics, clothing, the KitchenAid kitchen mixer here. You've got the doorbells. This is Ring's competitor. We've got some Orange Ice watch for $20. Bose surround sound for $100. That doesn't look like too bad of a deal. Might be something to look into. Almost gone, not surprised. Shoes, they've got an $830 34-inch LED backlit LCD computer monitor. That is crazy. It's curved too, so $830 for a computer monitor. Pretty crazy. An Adirondack wood chair, pretty cool. Folding wood chair, $161. Adirondacks are expensive. Anybody that sells that stuff will know. iPad Pro 3rd generation 256 Wi-Fi 12.9-inch space gray. That's pretty cool. I don't know if it's new or used, but $9.99. I'm actually looking at maybe getting an iPad Pro, the new one, the 12-inch, 12.9-inch. They're like $1,000 to $1,100 brand new though, and I wouldn't use it enough. Although I have a project and something I want to use it for, I just don't know if I want to drop $1,000 on something that I may or may not follow through with. Just to have the iPad. I don't use an iPad. I use my computer for everything I need to do on my computer and my phone for anything else. But if the iPad was set up with like on my desk with like a stand and a keyboard and a charger and it was permanently affixed there, then maybe I could do something. I thought about maybe hooking up a microphone and a webcam to the iPad and then doing videos off of that rather than doing it on my computer and then editing the footage. We'll have to see though. $1,000 for an iPad is pretty steep. Maybe get a used one, find one for like 7 or 8. I'm not sure. Okay, so some other deals that you see here, including the Nikon D850 digital camera. That's an amazing camera, $2,700. You still need lenses with it, but pretty good deal. So then you can go up to the top, and like I said, there is tech, which is going to show you pretty much all the stuff that you just saw. You could separate it. Fashion. Again, we're going to see a lot of sunglasses, shirts, and shoes you'll see here. Some jewelry, accessories, a watch display. That's pretty cool. 20 watches. I think I have like a 10 watch one I paid like $25 for, so that's pretty good. I'm watch collector. Home and garden, sporting goods, automotive, and then other. And I'll show you the other deals. See, here's the sporting goods ones, which are pretty good. Yoga ball, a Garmin watch, $800. That's pretty crazy. That's like twice an Apple Watch. Whew. Got some basketball, some trampolines, all kinds of stuff coming up for summer. So might be some good things in there. Automotive. This Powerbuilt MIG Amp-Flux Core Wire Feeder Welder Compact is $157. I have a buddy that would be really interested in that. I'll have to send him the link. Lots of tools, lots of automotive jack stands, testers. I saw in one of the deals like a tire inflator. I saw a backup battery, a jumper. I saw one of those diagnostic code testers, all kinds of stuff in here. Pretty reasonably, like $30-40 for a lot of those. This helped me actually also the XM external radio, satellite radio that I bought the other day for like $15 that I currently have listed for 80 or 90. I can't remember how much I put it up for. That was actually not that exact one, but one similar was in the daily deals. And so I knew that they were trending. People are buying external XM radios for cars that don't have them or to have at home. Other deals, artwork, coins, luggage. Again, buying luggage. Some Chewbacca hearts. I don't even know what that is. Poster, baseball cards, more luggage, Magic the Gathering cards, toys, all kinds of stuff. So you can go through all of these daily deals, and if you don't find anything for yourself, you can get an idea of what is trending. Under featured, they have different categories here, like more featured, fabulous 5, under 25, best of each section, fashion for him. So you really could spend some time on here. I'll send you guys a direct link. I'll put it down below, like I said, right to this daily deals page, and then you can browse around here and take a look at it. I'll send you the link through my eBay affiliate link. So if you want to do a little shopping, it would help me out. I'd appreciate that. But you can look through all of these at your own pace, and it changes every day, every week, every month. So make sure you check back on it and pay attention to the trending, make notes, and then look for those items while you're out shopping. So use eBay's website and eBay's trending and daily deals to your advantage to learn what you should be selling, and also to maybe pick yourself up a couple of cool things while you're at it. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Appreciate it. I know a lot of you didn't know about this page, so now you do, and use it at your convenience and enjoy it. And I thank you so much for watching. Make sure you give the video a thumbs up, and please do hit that subscribe button for more updates, news stories like yesterday's news stories that I'm linking below, and updates to the website and different pages like this. If you want to pick up that sourcing Bolo bundle of 600 more items in addition to all of these great items on this website that you can find to buy and sell, I have them all in a new bundle. I will be updating them all this month with new files. Anybody that buys them will get all of the new updates for free. They include clothing, shoes, electronics, toys, vintage, everything you can think of in this list of 9 guides, 600 plus items, just $25, and I'll link that as the 4th link below. Thanks so much, everyone. I will see you next time.